Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 3. Its title is Never Lie to Your Family. Today's lecture 3. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given in description box. You may click it, download it, print it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver this lecture according to this lesson plan. So my dear students, today under the title of grammar, we are going to learn about prepositions, position words. We'll cover page number 27 of your book. Before this, in English for grade 2, I have already taught you about position words. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this lecture again. Today, we are going to learn further and we'll learn to illustrate use of some words showing position. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 255, He, Allah, knows what happens to them before them and behind them. Yes, my dear children, Allah is mentioning, Allah knows everything, which we don't know, Allah knows that. And how Allah is mentioning what is happening before us, we know that, but what is happening behind us, we don't know, but Allah knows that as well. And do you know this before and behind are prepositions? So today we will learn further. First, you tell me what are position words. You have learned it in grade 2. Now pause the video and tell to your teacher what do you know about position words. Okay, pause the video and answer this question to your teacher. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? I hope you answered correctly. And today I'll tell you that these position words, which you already know, are actually prepositions. Prepositions are position words. And what they are, they describe a naming word's position or location relative to another naming word. Okay, so prepositions or position words describe the position or location of a naming word, and it's in relation to, relative to another naming word. As it's mentioned here, Ali is sitting in the car. Now, Ali is a noun, the car is a noun, and what is their relation? That Ali is sitting in the car. So this in is telling Ali's position in relation to car, and that is in. So this in is basically preposition, the position word. You got it? Okay. So here I'm going to ask you a question. Where is the ball? Now, ball is a noun and its position is related to this box, you will tell me. The ball is in the box. The ball is on the box. The ball is under the box. And the ball is next to the box. Now you see these two objects, the ball and box, are same. But its position every time is different. And how we are differentiating? This position word is telling us the position of ball in relation to box. Okay, there can be other combinations. Where is the ball? The ball is between the boxes. The ball is among the boxes. The ball is in front of the box and the ball is behind the box. Once again, these words are telling us the position of ball. That's why these words are prepositions. Are you getting it? These words are preposition because ball and box, these are fixed. Only this word is telling us the change in position. That's why every time the change in this word means the position of this object has been changed. Now there are few more possibilities. The ball is above the box. The ball is below the box. The ball is near the box. And the ball is far from the box. Again, now you can find the position of ball with respect to box because of this position word. Are you clear with it? So this position word we have already learned. Now we know its grammar term is preposition, right? Now let's see what does. This is how, you see, one thing related to another thing, and only these prepositions are telling us the position of these two objects in relation with each other. Right? This is how here we have taken just two objects. Similarly, there can be many objects around, and one object can have different position for different objects. If it's closer, it's near to box, where we have mentioned it's near to the box, but maybe it's far from the table, it's far from the wall. This is how we locate an object by using these preposition, these position words. Do you understand? Okay, so let's see what does your book says about it. Open your book on page number 27. Prepositions. Prepositions are words that we use before noun or pronoun to show their relationship with other nouns or pronouns in a sentence. For example, I am sitting on a sofa. Now, it's a pronoun, you know it. Sofa is a noun, you know it. And what is the relationship between this pronoun and noun? I'm sitting on sofa. So, on is telling my position in relation to sofa. Are you clear? This is why it's a preposition. The next example is the shoes are under the bed. Now, the shoes, it's a noun. The bed is a noun. And what is their relation? The shoes are under the bed. This preposition is telling the position of shoes in relation to bed. Okay? All right. So it's the time for practice. What you are supposed to do? Look at this picture. There are many objects. There are many persons in this park. You will choose one thing or a person, a thing or a person in the picture, and tell where the thing or person is in relation to each other, and you will use prepositions from this word bank. These prepositions are given. Select an object. The example has been given. The butterflies are on the flowers. Here you can see the butterflies are on the flower. Likewise, you will take an object or a person and you will tell its position in relation to other objects or persons. Now pause the video and enjoy different categories, different prepositions taking from here, and tell maximum as much as you can. Pause the video and make sentences. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So your homework is easy. What you have done orally, you will do this in written form at your home. Look at the picture on page 27 and write 5 sentences using prepositions. The way you just told to your teacher, you will write any 5 sentences in your notebook. And I'm giving you a worksheet. Again, my fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentations, links are given in description box. You may click it, download it, print it, and kindly give a printed worksheet to my children for practice. And students, what you are supposed to do, here I have given you prepositions. Look at the picture and using these prepositions complete these sentences. I hope you are going to enjoy this worksheet. So what we have learned today, we learned that prepositions are position words. We learned that prepositions describe a naming word's position or location relative to another naming word. And we practiced the concept which we just learned. In this way, we achieved our SLO, that is to illustrate use of some words showing position. Are we done with it? Yes, good job. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.